This is a little toy that Zhuge Liang sent to Zhang Fei during his free time, called the needle in a cage. The idea is to take the spiky ball out of the cage. When Zhang Fei got it, his first instinct was to pull the spiky ball out through the gaps in the cage. But the ball was covered in long, sharp spikes, and he didn't know how to grab it. Even though Zhang Fei was strong, he couldn't solve it. Then Zhang Fei tried to take it from both ends. Whether from the top or the bottom, the gaps were too small, and the ball was stuck. Zhang Fei thought, maybe the only way to get the ball out is to open the cage. So, he asked Zhuge Liang, can I use my spear to split the cage and get the ball out? Zhuge Liang laughed and said, if brute strength could solve it, then what's the point of my design? Zhang Fei had no choice but to keep thinking. After a long time of trying, he still had no idea. So, he went to ask Pang Tong. Pang Tong said, this is just a trick of Zhuge Liang's. Look closely at the gaps in the cage. Some are wide, some are narrow. If you don't pay attention, it's hard to notice. He continued, try using your thumb. Some gaps will fit your thumb perfectly, while others will have extra space when your thumb goes in. That means the gap is wider than the others. Pang Tong added, now, move the spiky ball to this wider gap. But be careful, pulling it straight out won't work. You need to pull it and rotate it at the same time. That way, the ball will slide around the post and come out. Zhang Fei suddenly understood, and he explained, as expected, the strategist is amazing.